competition? What do you got going on here?
Well, we have the Pole Barn Holy Goat, and that's no more. You can see that one's getting out of here. Then we have Thumper, the fat, sweaty guy, and this one probably is going to be a little bit of a nuisance, but we'll get it out of here too. Whatever it takes, get out of here.
You talk the talk. Do you walk the walk?
Target acquired.
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
Tango down!
You must have got in trouble. You never clean.
I am being punished.
Well, I got a joke for you. I'm gonna tear you a new ass.
This race will be all motor, no spray, no turbos. If we can all agree to that, let's do it.
I'm your huckleberry.
Oh yeah, you don't want me spraying or putting boost to it. Oh no.
Winner of this one takes on the Punisher.
Well, Pilgrim, only after you eat the peanuts out of my...
Thumper, I hope you hear this. I hope you accept it. Maybe there'll be some hot lapping. You never know. Let's get it on.
Oh yeah, it's on. I'm gonna bring them French fried potatoes and whip your butt.